Hello, here is the next session Python features. It is first one is the easy to learn because Python has the few keywords which can easily understand, and it has simple structure and syntax, a very defined meaningful syntax so that it can easy to learn. And next one is easy to read. Why? Because Python code is more clearly understandable and visible to the eyes. That is very easy to read. And next one is the easy to maintain. Why? Because Python is very Python source code is fairly written in a editor. We can download from www.python.org so that it is very easy to maintain. And next it has standard library functions so that we can include them in our program. Bulk of memory is very portable, so we can include and run on different platforms like Windows, Unix, and Macintosh. And next feature of Python is interactive mode so that we can use this is a very that means we can use these features on different platforms and which allows us to perform testing and debugging snippets of code. Next one is portable one. Python can run on very wide variety of platforms like we can Windows, Unix, and Macintosh. Next one, next feature of the Python is databases, and it has Python has different types of databases provides. That means we can interact with different types of database, and we can use this code on commercial database also, and it supports a graphical user can easily integrate with the Python. That's why it is very graphical user supports graphical user programming and created, and that is about GUI programming, and it generates system calls, and we can run this code on different platforms like Windows